Welcome back, everyone. Let's talk about some more conditions and operators. It is possible to have a not equal sign in your condition as well. As you can see here, the exclamation point plus the equal sign means do not equal. Again, the syntax differs from language to language. This one is pretty easy to understand. If variable is any number other than 6, the if statement will run. For some practice, why don't you write down an else statement so that when variable is equal to 6, the else statement will run. This is what the code should look like. Again, else statements are pretty easy to understand. It looks exactly like an if, except you write the word else. Some programmers only like to use else if statements. This is because an else if statement is more specific. The more specific your code is, the less chance there is that your code will produce bugs or errors. I'm not talking about compiling errors, I'm talking about code that works that produces a different result than what you wanted it to. It's actually fairly common for you to have code that compiles and works, but it produces a different result than what you wanted it to. This is also another kind of bug. Else-if statements help reduce these kind of errors. So why don't you change your code to include an else-if statement? It should look like this. Well, that concludes the tutorial. I'll see you guys next time.